Today, I'm going to show you how to install Android TV on your Windows PC using Android Studio. This allows you to experience Android TV directly on your computer without buying a separate TV box. With Android TV on your PC, you can test apps, explore the Android TV interface, install TV applications, use streaming apps, and even learn how Android TV works. It is also very useful for developers who want to test their Android TV apps before installing them on a real device. So, let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Windows features. Open it. Now you will see a list of Windows features. Here, make sure Hyper-V is enabled. Scroll down carefully and also enable Virtual Machine Platform. These features are required because Android TV will run inside a virtual environment on your PC. Once you have enabled them, click OK. Windows will apply the changes. After that, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, wait for it to fully boot up. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. This is very important because we are going to download large software files. Now open Chrome or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Android Studio Download. Click on the first official result from the Android developer website. Once the page opens, click the download button. Scroll down, accept the license agreement, and start the download. The download size is large, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Please be patient and let it complete fully. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Find the Android Studio installer. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Click Next. Now you will see installation options. You can uncheck Android Emulator if you want, but it is okay to leave it enabled. Click Next again and then click Install. The installation process will now begin. This may take several minutes. Do not turn off your computer during installation. Once installation is complete, click Finish. Android Studio will open automatically. If you see a data sharing prompt, select Don't Send. Now continue with the setup process. Accept all license agreements. Android Studio will now download additional components like SDK tools, emulator system images, and platform tools. This step is very important and may take some time depending on your internet speed. Please wait until everything is fully installed. Once it is finished, click Finish. Now click More Actions. Then select Virtual Device Manager. Click Create Virtual Device. From the list, select TV. Now you will see different Android TV device options. You can choose 1080p for better performance or 4K for higher quality display. If your PC is low-end, it is better to choose older Android versions like Android 9 or Android 10. If you have a powerful PC, you can choose newer versions. For this tutorial, we will leave everything as default. Click Next. Now Android Studio will ask you to download the Android TV system image. Click Download and wait for it to complete. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, click Finish. Now your Android TV virtual device is ready. Next to it, click the Play button. Android TV will now start launching inside Windows. You will see a loading screen as it boots up. Please wait for it to fully load. After a few moments, Android TV will start, and now you have a complete Android TV system running on your Windows PC. From here, you can explore the interface, install apps, test applications, and use Android TV just like a real device. This is very useful for developers and anyone who wants to explore Android TV without buying a physical device. So that is how you install Android TV on Windows using Android Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe to All PC Geek, and turn on notifications for more Windows and Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.